This time on the Power Shift, we're going to Las Vegas. We're taking the Dart out to Musclecars at the Strip. We just finished Drag Week last September. It is now March. And we went to Bakersfield in December for the Red List race and went 840s on 15 pounds of boost. I'm hoping to improve upon that and up the boost and still run the 33-10-5W. I'm gonna use this multi-day race here to try and figure the car out, and hopefully I get 8 or 10 runs in over 3 days. That would be really awesome. So this is really just prep for Drag Week. Hopefully I can gain a lot of data and go faster with each pass, but just generally have fun. This Musclecars at the Strip is put on by Phil Painter. It's a really good time. It's a car show, drag race, party. Vegas this time of year is really nice. The weather's good. So we got the car all loaded up. We're heading out probably after traffic dies down tonight and get there early tomorrow morning probably. And it's about 250 miles, so it'll take us probably, with the motorhome and the trailer and everything, it'll probably take us a good 5-6 hours to get there.
8-second Drag Week car here in Las Vegas. Is it the same tune as yesterday?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. I would do more, but that last one wasn't good enough.
Well, all right. 843 at 166.
On Friday, we took the tune-up that we had at Bakersfield that went 846 and turned it down a little bit on the launch, and it went an 847 here at 163, which is good mile an hour, good eating. Yesterday I made 2 back-to-back runs within 10 minutes of each other, and it ended up being an 851 and then an 843, which is a new personal best, but it went 164 miles an hour, and then it went 166 when I put another 3/4 of a degree of timing into it, but it's looking pretty bad. Actually, it's raining pretty hard. There's like a cell here that's going over the top of us right now. It was in the canyon a little while ago, dumping rain, and now it's over us. But as you can see, there's some blue skies over there. So if this is the only rain, they're gonna dry it up and hopefully the track will turn around.
It's not bad.
It stopped raining, but it looks like it moved over there. Keep going. So hopefully it will be good for the rest of the day.
Well, hello there, everybody.
Why you tried on the toilet? How?
Oh my God! 828, 168. Damn!
Little bit of a wiggle off the starting line, popping the shoots, goes 819.
Dude,
I had
we,
to drive it.
Oh yeah, you were driving it hard, but we got to do.
no, he didn't have a time slip.
They're gonna give it to me.
819, 172.
Yeah, but track guy pulled that out.
I know, I saw that.
I'm like, ooh.
I know.
So, and then it spit the belt like 30 feet out.
Okay, that's a wrap on Muscle Cars at the Strip in Vegas. Overall, it was a good weekend. It was a little frustrating at times because there was just so many cars. There was, I think, 515 cars total. We made 7 runs over 3 days, which is not enough. One of the things I did in between Bakersfield and Vegas is that I had the converter tightened even tighter, which Dice converters actually didn't tighten it. They just set the clearances a little tighter so that the fins are closer. In Bakersfield, the difference between drag week and Bakersfield was drag week had ATF in it. Bakersfield had 5 quarts of John Deere High Guard. And then when we went to Vegas, it was all High Guard, which made it really aggressive, especially on the starting line. We initially tried making that first run, and I had to abort it. It just absolutely knocked the tire off. And that was the exact same tune-up that it was at Bakersfield. So then I turned the RPM and the boost down on the starting line, left the boost ramp the same, and it went 843 at 163, which was very similar to Bakersfield. So obviously the transmission stuff really does help. So in the future, I would really like to know whether or not the altitude makes a difference. I'll do that coming up. That's it for this wrap for this one. It was a good time. Got to see a lot of my friends that I don't get to see all year. And overall, it was really good. So thanks for watching. That's it for this time.